Well, students, welcome to active and passive voice lesson. Now, previously we discussed how to change the present tense form. Now, let us study how we are going to change from active into passive in past tense form. I taught you about the simple form, progressive, and perfect in present tense form. Now we'll study the same thing in past tense form. Now, before we come to the past tense form, just let me cite an example of perfect tense form. Suppose I have eaten raw mangoes. Now, here how to change or convert active into passive. Now, I told you how we are just replacing the object into subject position in passive voice. Raw mango, yes, this is your object, it has come to the subject position in passive. Now, as for this, you have to select have or has. Anyone, it depends on the number, whether singular in number or plural in number. Now, more than one mango, so of course, you have to select have. Now, after have or has you select, please use the V3 of the, that is been. Then your main verb third form means past participle. Eat, ate, eaten. Clear? It is the main verb. The V3 already is used in perfect form. So just write it down. Raw mangoes have been eaten by. Now the subject will come to the object form. That is. Now basic changes that you are noticing, that the object form it is coming into subject form, and the subject of your active voice it will go to the object form. So slight changes you are noticing. Now come to the use of past tense and we'll see how you are going to change from active into passive. Now this same form will be dealing today like your simple past simple, tense is your past, and which form? Simple. For example, Ram ate mango. Clear? Now here this is your subject, this is your verb, and this is your object. Now write the object form. Mango, this is the V2 form. The verb to means simple past. Now you select either was or were. Then V3 plus preposition plus the object will come here. So object will come to the subject position in passive, and this is in your active format. Now object it has come to the subject form. As for the number, you have to select was or were. So mango, one mango. We talk about here one mango. So it should be was. Then eat at, eaten by, then Ram. So your answer will be mango was eaten by Ram. So this is your answer. Now as for this format you have to proceed. You select your object, put it in subject form, then you don't forget to use helping word either was or were. It depends on the subject you have used. Then do not forget to use the V3 form. So this is the proper format of writing or converting your active into passive, especially when you are reading about past tense. Let us see another example of past simple. He wrote a poem. He wrote a poem. Here, this is your object. So, write the object form. A poem. Then was or were. Of course, singular numbers was. Then I told you about the uses of written, write, wrote, written plus preposition why. Then the subject will come to object position. So object of he is him. Now this has been used as your object. Clear? Now this was the object. This is an active voice. This is a passive voice. Now this object has come to the subject form. I think you understood it very clearly. Now let us see how to change progressive verb. Ram was eating mango. Now here you just identify your object form. This object will come to the subject. Now once I place this as your subject form, then this becomes your mango. Now, as it is in past progressive, now again you need to select either was or were. Was or were. So, how many mangoes are there? I am talking about only one mango. So, of course, you have to select was. Mango was, then extra being. As it is in progressive, I told you the present tense from the as it is you have to proceed also. Only you need to change your helping word. Mango was or were being it verb will be eaten by now. So this is the progressive format. We are simply placing the object into subject position. As for the subject, now we have to see the number and person. Then accordingly you have to select either was or were in past tense, then extra being as it is in progressive, then main verb V3 plus by is a preposition, then the object only. Clear? Now see how we are going to write in perfect form. Suppose the perfect one I am citing example. I had eaten rice. Okay, I had eaten rice. This is your subject. This is your object. This is in active voice. Now, while changing this active into passive usage, now first I will put this object in subject form in passive. Rice. It came to the subject form. Now here only one thing we have to use, that is had. Rice had plus been plus your D3, that is it had eaten, then by, and this subject will go to object position. I object will become me. So nothing you are finding some different. Simply write the object into subject position. Then as for the subject you place had, compulsorily past perfect. Then extra been plus V3 you are using. So this is all about how to change. Basically I taught you declarative form, how to change in declarative. Now we will be in our next class we will be dealing with the interrogative form and imperative, how to change these forms here. So till that time students, I hope you just better go through it, and I hope that this is clearly understood, and once you read it then you will be able to understand the interrogative form also. So first go through the declarative format, present tense and past tense, and in our next lecture I will be sharing with you interrogative and imperative. Till that time, goodbye.